Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. I film videos about beauty, plus size fashion, H&M, H&M home bargains, B&M, things like that. So I'm going to tell you what I got for Christmas. I love watching these videos. That's why I film them. I just like seeing what people got and getting inspiration for other gifts. So that's why I'm filming this. So let me start with a few things that I got for Christmas. First of all, Prosecco. I love drinking Prosecco, and it was one of my gifts. I wanted to try the Corsa makeup, so I put this on my wish list and I got it. So it's the clean starter set. So the bestsellers edition, you get a lip gloss or product, you get a, what do you call them? You get a, what are they called, for your armpits? That's what you get. And you get a cleanser and a mascara. So I'm really looking forward to trying Corsas. I've heard a lot about them, but I've never tried them. And I also got some Lindor chocolates, which I love. I got a nice Rituals candle. And this is the Balancing Meditating candle, which is great. I just love the scent. Can't wait to burn this. Need to be very careful though, because I tend to forget stuff. Now, moving on, I did get lots of skincare products. I was given some products from Molten Brown, and I'm really happy with these. So I got the hand lotion, which is in the fiery pink pepper here, and a Molten Brown London shower gel, a hand lotion for, I'm guessing, for the bathroom, and the soap. Let me just find the soap, because the soap is quite big. There you go, this soap. Really nice scent. So fiery pink pepper, really nice scent. This is the soap. I love using soap. I think it's nice to have a soap in the bathroom as well. So really happy with those. I'm really grateful for all my gifts. I love gifting, and you know, it's really, I love the whole process when you can buy something nice. It doesn't have to be expensive. Buy something nice for someone. I just enjoy that. So moving on to some other gifts. I was gifted some jewelry, which I'm really grateful for, from the brand, I don't know how to say it. It's this brand, Gnose, New York. And I was gifted a necklace with the J charm. So you can see that here. Really pretty. I wore this. There you go. And I also was gifted the koala charm, because I was born in Sydney. And I put that on the little bracelet it comes with. So there. And a J and a Capricorn, because I'm a Capricorn. So there you get the little Capricorn. I don't know if you can see it here though. It's quite small, so I don't know. But you can get the star sign. So I was given that, which is great, and I really liked it. I was also gifted this beautiful Elizabeth Scarlet bag, and my partner personalized it for me. So I got a JM, and it's got these beautiful little birds. It's red. I think it's got swallows and other birds as well. Really nice bag. Really happy with that. Since I'm talking about bags, I was gifted another bag, which this one is from, I think it's from Accessorize again. It was on my wish list. I really like it. It's a nice furry product. It has these piping things here, and it has a clasp, and it fits loads of stuff. So really pleased with that and really grateful for that. I got a few makeup products. I wanted to try Corsa, so I had this on my wish list and I got it. And it's the Corsa's Clean Start Kit set. So you get the lip product, you get a mascara, you get a cleanser, and you get a deodorant. So really pleased with that. Can't wait to try that. I received more skincare products from the Rituals. I really like this line, which is the Ayurveda line. And I got the foaming shampoo, shower gel, the shampoo. I've never tried Ritual shampoo, a shower oil, and a body cream. This smells of Indian rose and almond. It smells amazing. I love this scent. It's one of my favorite scents from the Rituals, especially now. I really think it's really nice. I received from my partner's daughter this, which is really cute. It's a Perfect Pout glitter lip gloss. I think these would make great stocking fillers. They're so cute, really nice. I got from the Body Shop. Someone bought me the British Rose moisturizing cream. I haven't used moisturizers from the Body Shop, so I'm really looking forward to trying them. I was also given the exfoliating scrub, so really looking forward. And it's of course British Rose, because I love rose scented products. And then I also was given the By Terry Mini Essentials kit. So it comes with the CC Serum, which is amazing. I love using this, especially during the summer. It's so glowy. Such an amazing product. Lash, really nice. So this is the By Terry CC Serum. And it also comes with this eyeshadow. So eye pencil. So this is the color. And I have already filmed this video once, but I made a mistake, so I'm filming it again. That's the swatch. This is what it looks like if you're interested. There you go. Really nice. Looking forward to using this. And I just really like using By Terry products. And then I was also gifted another body set. Let me just show you that, which is this body set, which is called Blush, and you get a shower gel, a body lotion, a little sponge. So really looking forward to trying all these products. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed their Christmas. If you like these kinds of video, give it a thumbs up. My birthday's coming up. I'm not sure if I should film what I got for my birthday as well. Yeah, I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas, lovely New Year. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.